Hi everyone, I'm Théo, I'm from Kiln, and today I'm going to present to you our Cosmos Validator watchers. Who are we first? A little word. We are Kiln, we are a leading staking provider on Ethereum. We are also popping nodes pretty much everywhere. We have a lot of nodes on most of the high Cosmos chain. We have Solana, we have Nears. We know a bit about monitoring from all of this experience. So why do we want to open a new watchers? There's already a few options. There is Tender Duty, and there is something else from Solar Labs. Both of those options have been not really up to our standards. There isn't that much update on both of those GitHubs. Latest updates are like 3 months ago, and there isn't that much fiability in the value. There isn't the kind of thing we want to have when we monitor nodes. So we wanted to build something else, an alternative. We wanted something that worked on all of the Cosmos chain. So we built something on the Cosmos SDK. So our solution works on pretty much all the nodes, all the Cosmos chain. There is a few exceptions where you have to tweak a variable or two, but it works. It's really easy to use, easy to implement. There is a Docker. You can just run a single line, and there you go. You have your metrics. Yeah, as I said, stupid. There isn't that much to make. There isn't that much to build around. You just have to launch a Docker and watch the metrics, and there you have. And yeah, it's also something we wanted to build because currently all the Cosmos chain need to be upgraded with the Cosmos Visor, which is a solution which doesn't really work for our way to use the chain. We are using Kubernetes, which doesn't really like to restart a binary like you have to do on most of the Cosmos chain. So we built something that works with webhooks. So whenever we reach an upgrade 8, we can just merge a GitHub peer, and it just restart the pod with the new version. This is a small screenshot just for you to see what it looks like. There is a Grafana, which is also open source, that you can download and use, where all of the metrics are already used, but then you can also make your own panels and use it as you want. We have over 20 unique metrics that goes from miss block to votes, from upgrade 8 to most of the things you want to know about the nodes. I'm just going to go to the next slide. The features we wanted to bring were universal monitoring, as I said, because building a new monitor for each of the Cosmos chain was gruesome and not really useful. So we wanted something that everybody could implement and it would work everywhere. We wanted something to not miss votes, because I know some people don't. Yeah, let's see. Some people are not really good citizens about that, and we wanted to mark the examples, so have metrics that show you the votes. We also wanted to track multiple validators and take multiple sources as inputs, so you can query multiple RPCs, and it takes whichever respond the fastest. And you can watch multiple validators, so you don't have to run one watcher for each of your nodes. You can just run this separately and watch a lot of Atom nodes. We built it really simple, so we can maybe add new metrics. This is now open source, so if there is some metrics you really need and really want, you can ask for it. And the webhook, as I said, that was pretty useful for us. And just as an example, this doesn't really render that well, but this is the Grafana that we also open source. So yeah, as I said, there is the stats of the validators, there is the upgrades, when it will happen, which block, everything is fully parsed from the blocks, from the different votes. And yeah, there is the log, there is the few blocks that we published with a little crown, there is the block miss. You can see that we are really good on Atom. Don't watch Injective. And, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oops. It broke, obviously. Here's a little QR code if you want to watch the GitHub. Put a little star, because it's really good for us. Yeah, that's it.